By the way, is there anyone on board who knows how to fly a plane?
Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious.
Stryker, before we start, I'd like to say something.
Well, I flew in the war, but it was years ago. I wouldn't know anything about it.
I know that right now things must look pretty rough up there. But if you do what I tell you, when I tell you to do it, there's no reason why you shouldn't have complete confidence in your chances to come out of this thing alive and in one piece.